Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Instacart shopper account is essential to start earning. Follow these required steps. Step 1. Download the Instacart shopper app and complete the application with accurate personal information. Step 2. Provide your Social Security number or tax ID for background check and tax purposes. Step 3. Consent to the background check. Instacart uses Sterling to verify criminal and driving records. Step 4. Upload a clear photo of your driver's license or state ID. Ensure all text is readable. Step 5. Complete the alcohol certification if you plan to deliver alcohol. This is state-specific. Step 6. Submit a profile photo that clearly shows your face for customer recognition. Step 7. Set up your payment card. You'll receive an Instacart payment card for shopping. Step 8. Complete the onboarding tutorial in the app to understand policies and procedures. Step 9. Wait for approval. Background checks typically take 10 business days, but can vary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.